In order to pickle our beets, we need to cook them. So I am going to roast them. You can boil them, steam them, whatever you do with beets, but I like to roast them because I feel that they keep their flavor better. I'm just going to cut, leaving a piece of the stem. I don't want to cut into the vegetable so it doesn't bleed. Cut off the end a little bit. So I'm gonna do this with all the beets, and I'm gonna wash them, and I'll see you then. So we're gonna put this in an oven that has been preheating at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 218 Celsius, for about 45 minutes, okay? I'm just gonna check them, and if they're cooked, I'll bring them out and I'll see you. Notice that I'm not doing anything. I'm not putting salt, nothing on them, just like that. All right, these are cooked. I took them out of the oven maybe 30 minutes ago, so now they're cooled down. We're going to peel them. So all I want to point out is make sure you tear off that tip, okay? That stem that we left there. We're gonna slice these now. I want them that thick, okay? All right, I'm just gonna put some bay leaves in here and a handful of peppercorns. For our liquid, we're going to pickle this with apple cider vinegar. And in here I have 2 cups of water, and I'm gonna add 2 cups of vinegar. If you don't have apple cider vinegar, guys, please don't stress out. Use, white vinegar, that is fine. So I'm just gonna stir this until the salt dissolves. Okay, now that it's starting to boil and the salt is dissolved, I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of honey, guys. I don't want to put sugar in this, but I'd like to put a little sweetness. If you don't have honey, you can put a bit of sugar in it, that's fine. If you're using sugar, put it in with the salt and dissolve it, okay? All right, I'm just gonna turn this off now. So I let this cool down a tad. It's not boiling anymore. And I'm gonna pour it over the beet. Let's get rid of the air bubbles in there. I'm gonna let this cool down for completely, and then I'm gonna refrigerate it, and we'll taste them in about 3 or 4 days, okay? Let's check our beets. These have been in the refrigerator 4 days. Let's see how they're doing. Wow. Oh my gosh, guys, these are beautiful. You can keep these in the refrigerator up to 2 months. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you soon.